All right, so I just got this in the mail. It's a remanufactured D-shaped steering wheel for the 535. It's from eBay, a company in Ireland called Custom Wheel Number One. It sounds like they're not from Ireland, but that's what it says they are. And this is me opening the package here. Let's see what we got. All right, I guess that's sufficient packing. Wow, this looks really nice. It actually comes with the trim piece too. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was just a wheel. So I got this one because it's like the most aggressive one I could find. There's plenty of other ones that were like a little less aggressive, but I just really like this one. And yeah, this is really nice, guys. The thickness of it is awesome. And this is Napa leather. Yeah, these cuts are just like super aggressive. Whatever inserts they're using are unique to them because I couldn't find this wheel anywhere else. And you can see you have the M stitching there. And by the way, I have my 535 is an M Sport, so I'm not just being one of those people who just put M labels over their non-M car. I mean, it's a non-M car, but you know, BMW put M labels all over it, so I guess that's okay. So this is actually not carbon fiber. This is actually like a 3M carbon fiber wrap, which I don't particularly like this. I've used this stuff before. It's kind of tacky, especially on something like this where this is nice actual Napa leather, and you can feel that it's Napa leather. It's nice and soft. Yeah, I mean, this feels amazing. I'm really happy with this. So this was $500, $550 with shipping from the UK to the United States, which I paid. I've paid more for less before. I think I paid like up to $800 for a steering wheel for my 2012 STI. It was a Japanese company, but I don't believe it was Napa leather like this is. If you're in the market for a wheel, I'll link the store in the description. This is probably the best wheel that you're gonna find on. All right, so just to show you guys how to release the airbag, there's a hole on the bottom of your steering wheel. You're gonna stick a thin screwdriver in there, and what happens is that screwdriver actuates this metal bar here. You see when I push on that metal bar, it closes the spring up there. You see that moving? That's what retains the airbag. It's hooked onto this, so once this moves out of the way, the airbag will fall out. I think this wheel has definitely been, has airbag deployed. There's like white powder on the inside here all over the cables. So the trick is, you gotta put the screwdriver in and kind of face it towards you. I mean, away from you. You can see when I do that, the spring closes. on both sides. All right, there we go. See that same hole? There it is under there. So we're gonna stick the shaft into the hole, and then we're gonna kind of lean it backwards towards the footwell and push up. And then, all right guys, so I got it out. Let's back this up, there we go. So I got it out. I was having a little trouble with the Phillips head, but this, it's like a 30 torques. That worked a lot better because I guess it has a flat surface to push up on the bar instead of that pinpoint surface. So I would definitely get something like this, or if you have like an old shitty screwdriver and you want to just like hacksaw the tip off so you just have a flat prodding edge, that'll work a lot better to get the wheel off. So I guess we're just going to go in there now and disconnect these wires. I got my handy dandy Dexter pick set here. All right, so we're in the car, and we're just going to disconnect the plug from back there rather than taking it off the back of the steering wheel. Okay, just to show you, I unplugged it straight from there. And here's the plug. So it was in there like this, and basically there's this retaining clip that you have to push in and pull it out. You can just use a pick to push it in the side there and pull it straight out. Yeah, so that's the airbag. Hopefully it doesn't go off. And now, I believe this is a 16, so we're just going to pull it out, and the wheel should come off. All right, so this plug for the steering controls is just in there with straight tension. There's no like a clip. Well, there's a clip here, but it's inaccessible when it's plugged in. So I just took like a little needle nose channel lock and grabbed the plug, wiggled it out, and it finally just popped out at a point. All right. So this is actually a 15 millimeter. I don't know if it's different for different years, but this car's a 2010. So yeah, 15 millimeter. Jesus. Needed nut busting level 3 on here to get that off. Yeah, 15 mil. One question I had, I actually remember on my E46, because I know I've changed steering wheels in other cars that aren't keyed, and you have to like make a reference mark so that you don't put your steering wheel on crooked and your alignment's off from the wheel. But on BMWs, it's keyed. So you can see that divot there on the bottom. It's actually a key that goes through the whole bottom of the wheel. So the wheel can only go on the splines one way. Let's see how stuck on there this thing is. Yeah, pretty easy to get off. You can see there. They actually grind down the splines in that area to make it keyed. You can see the key there. So I just went to go put these in, and actually I noticed that this old one, the OEM wheel, has this gold ring thing on the back that's attached to, with this black ring with these small torque screws. And the one that I got from here doesn't, so I figured I'll swap it over. But actually, these holes, the mounting holes, it has the holes, the same ones as this wheel, but they're not tapped. So I'd actually have to tap thread into these mounting holes to use this. So I looked this up. I didn't know what it was, and apparently it's a vibration dampener. So it's just like a inertial kind of vibration damper, because it's just a weighted piece of metal, I guess, aluminum, attached with rubber feet so it absorbs vibrations. Honestly, I'd prefer to feel more of the road feedback, so I might like it better without it, but yeah, that's just something to notice. You might have to, if you want this, I'll see how it feels without it. If it feels horrible, or if I miss the way this feels, I'll just tap these mounting holes, but I'll try it with that for right now. All right, guys, so we're back in the car, and I'm gonna line this up. I try to do it. I'm holding the camera, and you can see where the notch is to line up that key. There we go. And there we go. There's our first look with it on. And it looks pretty damn sick. All right, so now we're just gonna hook everything up, get the airbag back in. I left the fake carbon fiber trim on there for now. I'm probably gonna get a real one or something else, and I'll swap that out. But I just left it on there for right now. I guess it still could be. So that just pops in there like that. The other side will be for the airbag, which is still attached to the airbag. Now we're just gonna take our 15 millimeter nut bolt, and I'm gonna work that bit down in there. I'm just gonna use this to run it down. All right. So TIS I usually use is down, but I got a shady internet value from a forum that says the wheel nut's supposed to be torqued to 45 foot-pounds. So we're gonna go with that and hope that we don't strip it. All right, so I actually torqued it, the extension. Kind of just hold it with your hand and torque it down with the other side. So now that it's torqued, put the airbag back on. It still hasn't blown up, so that's good. So how we're gonna do this, we're gonna plug our airbag plug right back in the hole where it came from. All right, so we got the airbag plugged back in, you can see there. And then I'm just gonna take the airbag, line it up on the wheel, and push it back in. And yeah. So there we go, guys. This is the final product. And yeah, it looks amazing. Feels amazing. The wheel itself, I'm definitely not looking at it now, I'm definitely not a fan of the fake carbon fiber trim, but we'll change that out in time. But yeah, there it is. Let's go try it out. So I just got back from going for a ride, and it feels really good. Like the grip, just that it's so much thicker, you can get such a better handle on the wheel, and the thumb rest, it just feels really good. So if you want to get one of these wheels, go check out the link in the description. It is an eBay affiliate link. It helps out the channel a little bit at no extra cost to you. They seem to make a wide range of wheels for a lot of BMWs. Just message them on eBay before you buy, just to make sure it fits your particular vehicle. They also have many other popular vehicles like Mercedes and Jeeps and stuff like that. You know, any car you drive, go check it out. And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Like I said, if you want to go check them out, check out the link in the description. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more content. Thanks.